Avionos works with some of the largest organizations in the world, typically looking to move through their next growth phase. We are the best at it because we're looking at not just what tool best works, but what is the solution of tools that are going to come together to drive an outcome for our customers and see the value that they're needing to unlock.
We solve enterprise problems with a very different approach. We really work with Fortune 500 companies in the way that they need to be able to work with their own customers, leaning forward into the challenges that we see in the future and not being held by the approaches that we took in the past. And so we've built ourselves in a way that allows us to move at a speed and a pace that looks like a boutique, but really address and work with very complex organizations around very complex challenges.
We bring a cross-discipline, cross-platform approach to any problem that our clients have. So we're not always trying to find a problem that works with the solution we've already thought of. We're actively working the problem for a solution that works.
Many of our senior leadership team grew their careers with traditional consulting firms, but they saw a lot of gaps in the way that they solved our clients' toughest challenges. Today, you have to move really quickly. Our team is built specifically to do that, still with an eye for the future and what problems we're going to have to solve today, as well as in 2 or 5 years.
Your marketing and your customer experience is only as strong as the data you have behind it. I can't just rely on putting up pretty pictures. I can't just have a nice, beautiful design. Those are things that need to be inherited and really driven from the data that your customers are giving you.
Digital transformation is at the forefront for everyone right now. We always want to keep evolving and meeting our customer needs, whether it's figuring out what your strategy is, what your business cases are, what your KPIs are, or whether it's your creative design and how the website looks.
Avionos is the best at delivering on our partner platforms because we're focused on the outcome our customers want and working our way back to how that tool or that platform can unlock that value.
Avionos is a full-service digital consultancy. We start everything with strategy, so we make sure that what we do is intentional, thoughtful, researched, and has a purpose and an outcome for it. And then we move into execution. Let's say we make a website and we take it live for that client. Managed services then comes in afterwards and stays engaged with that client for a year or 2 years or more, working on enhancements to that website, fixes to that website, any new features they want to add, and continue to fulfill their digital needs long after we took their website live.
We have to be able to move forward and create product experiences on top of platforms that are really built for scale. Where we're organized very differently is the ability to help our clients think through those challenges and then execute them with purpose. Not by taking old approaches, but by leaning into where their customers expect them to go.